Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Definitely appreciate you taking time out of your day to pay me a visit. It's October 29th, 2022. We're out on the Carpentersville stretch of the Fox River. And we're just gonna go have some fun, hopefully find a few fish. Water temperature is just at 50.78 degrees. Last week it started at 45 degrees and went up to like 57 degrees. So this week it's been what I would expect to be normal temperatures for late October. I was actually surprised to see the water temp still be in the 50s. So yeah, we'll see what we find. Whenever the water temp's around this temperature, I'm never quite confident in finding a lot of fish. So I'll be content finding maybe 2 or 3 fish today. But yeah, we'll see what we find. There's one. That's a good fish. Oh, that is a very good fish. Oh, look at that. That is a long fish. Get a quick measurement on her and get her back in the water. Guessing 17. Oh, 8. Oh man, just short of 18. You guys see that? All right, buddy. Thanks for playing. All right. That fish came right off this culvert. On a 3/16 ounce Bitsy Bug jig in green pumpkin with a 3-inch chigger craw in green pumpkin as well. Really good bait. This culvert, a week ago, it was one school of smallmouth, and I caught maybe 20 to 30 fish. I don't know. It's one of those times you lose count, but like, you know, it's like a 5 to 10 foot like rock stretch, and they were just stacked up on here. This entire shoreline is, well, up until about that one deadfall, all the way up there, nice and deep. Got the main river channel going through here on this island, so it kind of funnels them in here. Really good spot in the winter, or early winter, late fall, however you want to call it. So when I'm fishing this culvert, and really any of these like rock points on a river, I try to cast it as tight up against the shoreline as possible, and then just slowly lift it, kind of hopping it along the bottom, but mainly just trying not to move it that much. Just hop it up enough so the current kind of sweeps it downwards, and those fish, they'll just engulf it. There's a fish. That's a subtle bite. All right, not a very big guy, but he's pretty fat. All right, folks, that's going to do it for us today. Kind of a average October, late October fishing day. Had those 2 fish, maybe 3. I lost count, I guess. That first fish being just shy 18 inches was pretty nice. We were only out for about 4.5 hours. We still got like 2 hours of daylight, but I'm gonna call it quits a little early. But thanks for sticking with me, and I will see you all next time.